Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a 2.5-inch SATA SSD into your system. This is one of the easiest and most affordable upgrades you can do to add more storage or just make your PC faster. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a 2.5-inch SATA SSD, a SATA data cable, and a SATA power cable from your power supply. You'll also maybe need a Phillips head screwdriver, either if it's a number 1 or a number 2, whatever fits better. If your SSD didn't come with a SATA cable, check inside your motherboard box. Most of them include 1 or 2. If you still don't have one, just order one online, they're super cheap. Next, let's go ahead and actually mount the SSD inside of the case. Every case is a little different. Some have dedicated SATA bays, others have brackets or special holders behind the motherboard tray or beside the power supply. For example, in my Cooler Master TD500, there are 2 SATA holders and 2 separate hard drive bays. I'm going to be using one of the SATA holders that came with the case. If your case uses a holder, just slide the SSD in until it clicks into place. If you're using screws, line up the holes and tighten them gently. You don't want to make it super tight or over tighten it. Next, we're going to go ahead and connect our cables. Take your SATA data cable and connect the L-shaped end to the SSD. Then connect the other end to one of the SATA ports on your motherboard. It's usually labeled SATA 1, SATA 2, and so on. Now grab your SATA power cable from your power supply and plug it directly into the SSD. It only fits one way, so don't force it. Once both cables are in, the SSD is installed. The next thing that we have to do is to actually format the drive so we can use it. So go ahead, close up your case, turn on your PC, and boot into Windows. If your new drive doesn't show up right away, don't worry, this is completely normal. We just need to format it. Press the Windows key and type in Format. Click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. You'll see your new SSD listed as an unallocated space. Right-click the black portion of the bar and select New Simple Volume. Click Next a few times, choose a drive letter like D, E, whatever you want, and format it as NTFS. After that, your SSD will appear under this PC, and now it's ready for use. And that's it. You've just installed and set up your new SATA SSD. This is a super simple upgrade that can make a huge difference in how much your system can hold, and it makes your system feel a lot smoother. If this video helped you, please smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.